me start out with me. I'm Taylor. I'm a part of the Learning and Engagement team here at Oakland, the lovely folks about animals, which is great because I'd be doing it whether you were here or not, so I'm glad you're here to learn with me. I'm going to be talking to you a bit about lemurs and about how animals' habitats shape their potential. So we're going to be learning a bit about some different kinds of lemurs, where lemurs came from, and just a little bit about some context for the different creatures that you guys are looking at today. So hopefully, at the end of this, you will leave with a little bit more of an understanding of these very
Oh, this one is a big one. Oh, this maybe this. Wow. Look at them. Oh, có đi lại trên chợ rồi.
Look at that guy.
hear me okay? Or are you going to be louder, quieter? You're good? Okay, perfect. All right. Hi there, everybody. Are we all having a good day so far? Yeah. Awesome. Well, we've got some very, very cute creatures hanging out with us in front of us. They are going to be getting into a whole bunch of different kinds of snacks.